Okay guys, so today we're going to look at the 12 best keto foods. Now, these 12 keto foods are ones that you can rely on. They're going to be either zero carbs or very low in carb, and they're going to be nutrient dense, and they're going to be fantastic to give you that satiated feeling. So you'll be cooking on gas. Now guys, okay guys, so let's have a look at the foods. Now all of these are going to be on the screen. They're going to tell you the net carbs, how much you've really got in them, and they're going to tell you why they're suitable for keto, and they're also delicious. Now here we go. So we're going to start off with the top 12. So number 1, we have eggs. Now here you can see I've put it as number 1. This is a superfood. Eggs are absolutely fantastic. They create life. So when you eat them, that's the benefit you're getting. So here we go. You've got 0.4 grams of carb. It's very low in carb, but most people just say no. They say 0 because it's so low. So 0.4 grams from usually a medium egg. You can go as low as 0.2. Why is it great? High in protein to keep you full, low in carbs, nutrient dense and incredibly versatile. You can have scrambled eggs, you can have boiled eggs, poached eggs, you can do loads of stuff. An omelette, it's so brilliant for keto. Okay, so key nutrients, you're high in protein, high in healthy fats, source of choline. Now choline is a precursor for acetylcholine, for a brain neurotransmitter. Eggs are fantastic. They are helping to your brain. They're going to help a whole host of parts of your body. They contain vitamin D. They've got vitamin B vitamins, and you also have a source of selenium, which is rare and hard to come by. So fantastic, exactly what you need. So what are the benefits? It supports keto, it's low in carbs, promotes satiety, supports muscle preservation, and rich in essential micronutrients. A lot of keto diets lack micronutrients. This is giving them to you. Now, key takeaway, eggs equals high protein, low carb, nutrient dense, and keto friendly. These are the ones for you guys. I've been on a keto diet for many years, and you cycle on and off, and eggs are fantastic and they will do the job. Now, moving on to food number 2. So number 2 here we have beef. Now beef, especially steaks, make sure it's the zero carb cuts. The whole idea behind this, 0 grams as well. It's meat, is literally no carb in it. Why is it great? High in fat and protein and keeps you full. Nutrient dense and very satisfying. What do you have inside? You have iron, you have zinc, you also have B vitamins, B12 and B6. Keto benefits, 0 carb, muscle maintenance. It's going to promote satiety and steady energy. Fantastic. That's all you need from the food. Beef equals 0 carbs, high protein, maximum satisfaction. Everybody loves a steak. Okay guys, we're going on to number 3 now. Okay guys, so number 3, what's coming up here? We have pork. So number 3 is pork. Now pork is fantastic, it's versatile. Let's have a look. It's high in fat, it's perfect for ketosis, hearty and satisfying, keeps you full. It's fantastic to change the flavor from beef. So if you get bored of your meats, just circulate between them. Okay, so key nutrients, vitamin B1 or thiamine, selenium and zinc. So keto benefits, 0 carbs, supports energy production, helps maintain lean muscle. Pork equals 0 carbs, high fat, great for ketosis. Fantastic. Okay guys, now number 4. Number 4 we're looking at, guys. This is going to be lamb. Everybody loves a bit of lamb. So main idea there now is that you're cycling between each of the meats to make sure you've got different flavors, and that's going to give you that psychological feeling of not getting bored. Now, 0 carb again. You've got here, why is it great? High in protein to keep you full, nutrient dense and incredibly versatile, supports muscle maintenance, rich in healthy fats, and naturally 0 carb. So a fantastic meat, but what are the key nutrients? High in protein, iron, zinc, you've got vitamins, B12, you've got a good source of selenium, and it contains other B vitamins. So you're pretty much sorted there, guys. Now the keto benefits, 0 carbs, you've got supports ketosis, promotes satiety, supports muscle preservation, rich in essential micronutrients. The takeaway is lamb equals high protein, 0 carbs, nutrient dense and keto friendly. Lovely. Number 5. Okay guys, number 5, we have lovely juicy fatty salmon. So this is a lovely fatty fish. we have zero carbs again. So what's great about it? It's high in protein and helps to build and repair muscle. So healthy fats keep you full and satisfied. Key nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids. So you've got EPA and DHA. So you have vitamin D, you have vitamin B12, you have selenium, fantastic. Now the keto benefits, zero carb, supports heart health and brain function, reduces inflammation and supports ketosis, excellent. So what's the key takeaway? Salmon, zero carbs, high protein, rich in omega-3s, perfect. Now, moving on guys, we're going to look at number 6. So olive oil. Olive oil is simple. It's what you're going to use to be cooking in or putting on dressings for a keto salad. Let's have a look here. Zero carbs. Why is it great? It's got 100% healthy fats. It's for clean energy. Helps you feel full and satisfied. Versatile and easy to use. Now, key nutrients. Monounsaturated fat, oleic acid. You've got vitamin E, polyphenols and antioxidants, all fantastic to help combat free radicals. And then you jump over here, keto benefits, zero carb, supports heart health, reduces inflammation and supports ketosis. Fantastic. So what's the takeaway for olive oil? It's zero carbs, healthy fats and keto essential. Now guys, that's fantastic. You know a way to fry your food with a keto diet. That's one of the excellent oils. Now, moving on, number 7. We're looking at number 7, and it's cheese. Now, cheese has got 0.4 grams of net carbs. What can we see here? We understand that's per 28 grams, don't forget. So, key takeaway. So what have we got here? Why is it great? High in fat and protein to keep you full, rich in flavor and very satisfying, low in carbs, keto approved. Now, moving on to key nutrients, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, vitamin K2 and zinc. So again, a whole range of vitamins and minerals that you're going to need. Keto benefits. Low in net carbs, promotes satiety, supports bone health, helps maintain muscle mass. This is fantastic. We all love cheese. It's good for your psychology. It's a new thing to eat and taste. It really helps. A slice of cheese, maybe a bit of pickle. Excellent. Some nuts. Here we go. Key takeaway, cheese equals lower carb, high fat, it's nutrient dense and it's keto friendly. Excellent. Okay guys, moving on to number 8. Okay guys, so nuts. Now nuts are varied, they depend. I've got 1 to 4 grams a net carb per 28 grams, about a handful. Now, why is this important? Don't get fooled on this one because there are lots of nuts that are high in carbohydrates, so you don't want to touch stuff like cashews. You have to check. So if you go to my video on nuts, I'll tell you exactly which nuts. I'll tell you the main 3: pecans, walnuts and macadamia nuts. They're the best. So they're very low in carb. Have a look here. High, what's great about them? High in healthy fats to keep you full. Great source of plant-based protein, perfect snack for keto lifestyle. Key nutrients, vitamin E, magnesium, copper, manganese and omega-3 fatty acids. Awesome. Now, why is it good for keto? Low in net carbs, supports heart health, reduces inflammation, helps maintain steady energy, supports ketosis. Amazing. Now, what's the key takeaway? Nuts equal healthy fats, protein, nutrient dense and keto approved. So guys, that's number 8. Now we're moving on to number 9. Okay guys, so number 9, we have chia seeds. Now, chia seeds, you've got 0.6 grams per 28 gram serving. Why is it great? It's high in fiber to keep you full longer, absorbs water and supports digestion, helps stabilize blood and sugar level. So that's all fantastic. But let's look at the nutrients. We've got fiber, massively needed, and that's helpful on a keto diet. You've got omega-3 fatty acids, you've got calcium, you've got magnesium, and you've got phosphorus. So, okay guys, so the keto benefits. You have very low in net carbs, supports ketosis, promotes satiety, supports heart health and reduces inflammation. The key takeaway is chia seeds are high fiber, omega-3s, low carb and keto friendly. So that's awesome. So guys, let's move on to number 10, avocados. So avocados, they're now going on to a bit more carbs, or 1.8 gram per 100 grams, or half of avocado is about 1.8 to 2 grams. Now, why is it great? Healthy fats keep you full and satisfied, supports heart health, creamy, versatile and nutrient dense. Then key nutrients, monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, vitamin K, folate, vitamin B9As and vitamin E. Now, what's the keto benefits? Very low in net carbs, supports ketosis, promotes satiety, supports heart health and reduces inflammation, provides steady energy. Key takeaway: avocado, healthy fats, low carb, nutrient packed and keto essential. So fantastic there, guys. That's number 10. Now we have number 11. Boom. So here we go. Chicken. Everyone loves chicken. It's zero net carbs. That's why we love it. Keep the skin on. Excellent. Now, why is it great? Very high in protein, keeps you full, low in fat, nutrient dense and incredibly versatile, supports muscle maintenance, naturally zero carbs. Awesome. Key benefits: zero net carbs, supports ketosis, promotes satiety, supports muscle preservation and rich in essential micronutrients. Now, moving on. Perfect for keto, ideal for any meal, easy to cook, works with endless keto recipes and is great hot or cold. Chicken is fantastic on keto. Main takeaway: chicken, high protein, zero carbs, nutrient dense and keto friendly. So a fantastic keto food there. And coming in to number 12, guys, the last one. Boom, boom. Now, what do we have? We have butter. Okay guys, so butter. Now what we can see here, we've got zero net carbs. Butter's fantastic. You can use it for flavoring, you can put it on things, you can fry with it. It's fantastic for that. Now we've got, why is it great? Healthy fats keep you full and satisfied, supports heart health, ultra versatile for cooking and dressings, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant rich. We have key nutrients, monounsaturated fats, you got vitamin A, you got vitamin D, you got vitamin E, and you got butyrate. Now, keto benefits: it's zero net carbs, supports ketosis, it promotes satiety, it supports heart health, and it helps reduce inflammation. Now, butter, healthy fat, zero carbs, and keto essential. Okay guys, so that's the 12 keto foods that you can use in your diets. They help either to be zero carbs so they don't have an impact, or they have a tiny amount of carbs and they're massively essential for the vitamins, the minerals, or for any other micronutrients that you're going to need for a keto diet. That's the main idea. You know that obviously they're the 12 you're going to need. I hope you like this video, guys. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.